Sanjay was born in 1959 in Nepal into a poor household, but he subsequently managed to escape and remain out of poverty. How did he do this? This question on pathways to zero poverty embedded in SDG 1 and how it can be enabled through other SDGs, such as in the case of Sanjay through diversified livelihoods linked to SDG 8, skills development linked to SDG 4, and peace building SDG 16, exemplifies the focus of my research. I strongly believe the presence of extreme poverty reflects the failure of the international community's responsibility to act. My name is Vidya Diwakar, and I'm a mixed methods researcher focused on understanding and responding to poverty dynamics, where I interview people like Sanjay and analyze this alongside household survey data, and then present the research and link it to policy recommendations to get to zero poverty. I completed an MPhil in economics at Lucy Cavendish College, where I developed the tools for my quantitative analysis and also built friendships and networks along the way, which is how I'd heard about the Alumni Impact Award. In addition, then I completed a part-time PhD in education at the University of Cambridge as well, where I refined my mixed method skill sets. Over the last decade, I've been applying these skill sets to understanding poverty dynamics and poverty eradication, especially since 2015 when I've been based with the Chronic Poverty Advisory Network, and I'm currently its deputy director. CPAN today is hosted at the Institute of Development Studies and remains committed to getting to zero poverty, which, as mentioned, is the focus of my research. For example, in terms of how other SDGs link to SDG 1, my research on education, SDG 4, and health, SDG 3, show the importance of combined drivers of human development, not only in sustaining escapes from poverty, but in preventing impoverishment. My research has highlighted the role of diversified livelihoods, of the agency of women in poverty linked to the need to address intersecting inequalities, as well as other vulnerabilities such as linked to climate change and conflict. And throughout this, emphasizing partnerships as ways of working, as enshrined in SDG 17. And in CPAN, we do this through our network of researchers, policymakers, and practitioners across 17 low and middle income countries to really ensure that our research is infused with local in-depth insights that can contribute to meaningful change. And in this process, I aim to raise awareness, for example, through several interviews I've conducted with the media over the years, through presenting and organizing panels at a range of events, including at UN expert group meetings, policy forums, student communities, and also publishing a range of outputs such as journal articles, reports, infographics, practitioner hand briefs, and so on, all with a view to reaching a wide audience. My research and evaluations have helped inform international aid agency programming, but there's still a long road ahead to zero poverty, and this is one that I'm committed to pursuing in the lead up to 2030 and beyond.